Welcome to another Tasty Tuesday tip. I'm Rachel with ManagedMoms.com, and my food stylist and gal pal Julie McMillian is with me. And ManagedMoms.com has partnered with Brea Bakery to give you recipe ideas every Tuesday. So today we're having a girls' night in because it's too hot to go out in Phoenix, right, Julie?
It's so hot. We are not going outside.
No, we're staying in. So thank you for opening up your beautiful home. We've got some girlfriends headed over, and so what we did is we put together some bruschetta recipes, and we're going to show you which types of wine to match with your bruschetta. So, Julie, let's start with what you made. Let me see that bread.
Okay.
So, Julie used the Brea Bakery French loaf, and I can't wait to see what she made because she made a savory bruschetta, and I made a sweet one. So, show me what you did here.
I made an artichoke bruschetta, and it's made with artichokes, mayonnaise, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and a little garlic salt. And you just broil it, and it comes out delicious.
All the good stuff. Here, I gotta take a whiff. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yummy, can you see that? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to sink my teeth into that. And then what Vino do we pair with that?
I paired mine with a Pinot Grigio. So you can do that, or some other white wine would be really good. So,
yeah, and Pinot Grigio is really a nice light wine. And we're going with the lighter fare today because we're still in the summer months. Okay, my turn. So she did savory, and I decided to bring you sweet. But I did a decadent sweet and a little healthier version. So first of all, for the healthier version, I used Brea Bakery whole grain loaf, which I love that they have whole grain. And so I started with the whole grain loaf to get that whole grain in there. And I did a little olive oil, and get this, I found a cream cheese that's almond milk based. And by the way, the recipes and all the supplies are on my blog, so you can go there to get those things. And then I added some sliced pears, some pecans that I roasted in the oven, a little cinnamon, and some honey. Oh my goodness. And it is so good. You won't believe how good the almond milk cream cheese is. But of course, the star of the show is the Brea Bakery bread. Okay, now, if you want to be decadent, and who doesn't when you're having a sweet bruschetta, for that, I use the Brea Bakery Italian round loaf, a beautiful loaf of bread right there. I love it. It's big and round. And for that, I did the same thing, except I found a honey pecan cream cheese at the store at Fry's, where I also found the bread. And I did the same ingredients, layered that, so then you get a more decadent bruschetta. And for wine, I bet you want to know what wine to pair it with.
Yes, what did you pair yours with?
So I think you could do Pinot Grigio too. I did a rosé, I did a little research, and I also did a Sauvignon Blanc. All would work, so we are going to dive into this now. Let's pour a little wine.
Sure.
We'll just do a little splash. And I think we need to have a toast.
Absolutely.
To Girls' Night In, and to good food ingredients like Brea Bakery. Yum, cheers. So head to ManagedMoms.com for more information and the recipes, and also to BreaBakery.com as well. Happy Tasty Tuesday.